How to see previous blocked friends on Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see previously blocked friends on Facebook. To see the list of people that you have blocked on Facebook, you will need to simply follow these steps. Open your Facebook application on your device, or you may also go to the official website of Facebook in a browser. Once you open the Facebook application, ensure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here now you will need to tap on your profile icon with the 3 horizontal bars on it at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, this will take you to the menu section. Now here you will be able to see the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And once you open it, you will be taken to the settings and privacy page. If you are using a browser, then you will need to tap on the downward facing arrow icon in the top right corner of your screen. And from there you will be able to reach to this page. Now in the settings menu, you will need to scroll and find the blocking option. You will be able to see this blocking option under audience and visibility. Once you locate this blocking option, simply tap on it. And by doing so, you will be taken to this page. You will just see the list of profiles that you have blocked previously. Now from here, if you want to unblock someone, simply unblock them by simply tapping on the unblock option right next to their name. And then the particular person will get unblocked. Also note that you cannot block the same person again for 48 hours. So by following these steps, you should be able to see previously blocked friends on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.